Hi, my name is Kelly. Welcome back to See Winter Baby Design. On today's episode, I will be doing a image by Joey Johnson. They just released her images onto Design Space and also sent out newsletter introducing you guys to her. Make sure you check out the blog about her story, how she got started. The last video I just did, I asked if you guys want me to work on a hoodie, and Just Bless Terry responded and she said yes, she want me to work on a hoodie as well as the shoes. So what I'm doing is right now is coming up with a design for a hoodie, and I came across this image. Make sure you check out the blog that Cricut Design Space said about this artist. So what I'm doing is showing you guys how you can locate the hoodie by just typing in hoodies into the search bar and click on search, and you click on the hoodie. You can select the size hoodie that you're using. So what I'm doing is selecting, I'm leaving it as women because it's a woman hoodie, and I'm changing the size and changing the color to the hoodie, which is red. I like to use the template so it can give me a guide how to place it on top of the hoodie instead of just doing estimated guess how it will look. It might sometimes do too big, it might sometimes do too small. So right now I am typing in Dope Queen into the information. When you hit information, you can hit view selection, and what that do is bring in all the image that Joey Johnson did. Now I'm going to go ahead and select this image, and when you click on information, give you the names of each images. So I'm selecting the images that I'm using for this design, and once I finish selecting the images, I'm moving on to the crown and typing that in. Now I am arranging the images how I want it, but first, before I do that, I'm going to change the color to Dope Queen to yellow to match the crown. So when I cut it on the vinyl, it's going to be all yellow on all one of the vinyls. So what I'm doing now is arranging it to shrink it down size. The rule of thumb is if you got a 12 by 24 mat, you can make it bigger. But if you don't have a 12 by 24 mat, you have the standard 12 by 12. The size is 9.25. What I like to do before I cut into the vinyl, I like to make sure that the image is centered where it's supposed to be on the hoodie. Make sure you read the instructions for the easy pattern. Do not mirror the face because that's the pattern I'm using, but I'm using the regular easy weave, so you mirror that image. I am selecting everyday iron on, so we're ready to go. Make sure you follow the instruction. What's the difference between the easy pattern and the regular easy HTV? The easy pattern doesn't come with protection on top of the image, but the HTV easy weave does. So make sure you use the sheet that comes with the easy pattern. Also, there is a link down below that I did a DIY with the heritage pattern. Make sure to preheat the surface for 15 seconds. Make sure to remove the lint off the hoodie. There are several ways to get the measurement of the middle. You can fold the shirt in half and then you can iron it, or you can use a ruler. One of the questions a lot of new Cricut users always ask, is it best to peel it cold or peel it hot? It depends on the instructions that Cricut or siser or whatever vinyl that you use, whatever HTV you use. My best advice is to peel it when it's cold because it sticks longer. I had experience with siser when they say it's a hot press and it still lifts. So my advice is to peel it when it's cold. At least wait 2 to 3 minutes before peeling the plastic cover off the image. If you're new doing Cricut, make sure you comment down below. I'd love to answer your question. Comment down below what you think about this project. Make sure you share it, like, and watch the next video.